Good day, traders. Today I once again plan to show the work of a revolutionary bot with an average signal accuracy of 90%. I start on the Euro-American dollar currency pair. Time frame 2 minutes. The first investment will be $140. MaxBot scans the market as quickly as possible and gives a recommendation, lower. In this case, you need to press the red button on the broker. Friends, attention! Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot for free, after which you will be able to purchase this, no doubt, valuable tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at the discount. The link is in the description. I repeat, after purchase the bot gives unlimited signals. I will now analyze the situation based on historical data. During the past 2 hours the trend has been going downward smoothly, with sideways movement occurring most of the time. During the last 30 minutes the market became very active and the bears sold the bulls. The price dropped significantly. The bulls tried to regain their positions, but in the state of intense sideways movement there is still a clear lower price movement and a high probability of a bounce from the resistance area. I think that the robot took all these factors into account and issued a forecast to lower, knowing that this situation will bring us a profit with a huge probability. Let's wait for the end of the trade, friends, and draw conclusions. By the way, a huge advantage of the bot is its ability to work with OTC currency pairs. When the exchanges are asleep, you can keep earning. Even at night, on holidays and weekends. Just send the bot the command /OTC in chat and it will give you a list of 27 currency pairs. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The link is in the description. Join our cool community of successful traders. Meanwhile, the first deal closed in the plus. $126 came into the real account. This is a top performance from MaxBot. Now I will enter the market on the currency pair Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. The investment amount will be higher, $200. I get a signal from the smart neural network reactively. 2 clicks. So, the recommendation is lower. Developers have stuffed this artificial intelligence with an arsenal of key skills. The ability to use technical and candlestick analysis, price action, and 30 indicators. And now I will take another look at the historical data using the TradingView service. The past half hour has seen an active struggle. The tick volume histogram shows that the bears have the prospect of saturating the market with volume. The bulls also have a chance to start dominating. But if we look at the situation from afar, we can see that bounces from the resistance area are heavily weighted in this case. I think that the robot has noticed and caught a trend that may contribute to the beginning of the downward price movement. The sideways movement is likely to continue, but at some point a bounce from the resistance area may play a key role in this situation. The stochastic oscillator also tells me that this probability is very high given the way the move is going and in what direction. Now we just need to wait for the trade to close. Right now you can see screenshots of testimonials from traders who have already experienced the power of MaxBot. These people have started earning much more and can afford what they could only dream of before. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make with a 90% discount in its purchase will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. I would like to remind you once again that after purchasing the robot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There, a professional team of experienced traders analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. So, $172 has arrived in my real account. It's time to make the final trade to consolidate the success and increase profits. I will enter the market on the currency pair Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. The investment amount will be doubled. Now it's $400. I want to get another accurate prediction from artificial intelligence. The robot makes a lightning-fast recommendation, lower. There is reduced volatility and soft news background that does not affect the market at the moment. Let's take another look at the situation through the prism of data from the past. Technical analysis is the kind of analytics where you need to follow trends and pick up patterns that happen time after time. You need to pay close attention to the details. So, for the past 2 hours, the price has been moving downward. At first, the intensity of fluctuations was weak, after which there was a strong impulse from the bulls, but it was quickly leveled off and the sellers took over. Their volumes are better saturating the market and their resistance areas are doing a great job. Support areas in this case could not significantly hold back the pressure. I believe that the combination of such factors as the accumulated volumes of sellers, the general trend, the probability of a rebound from the resistance area, all this confirms the correctness of the bot signal. I think he is right. Soon we will know the final result. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, put a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on trading under this video. I will choose a winner using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares trading knowledge and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. So, let's summarize the results. The third deal closed in plus $356. Total quick profit for today $654. Thanks for your attention, friends. Like, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and get the cool robot at the link in the description. Bye.